Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix high performance not showing in Windows 10 and how you can fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to go here in the search and you have to search for control panel. And you have to open this. Now you have to click on power options. Now from here, as you can see that this is the preferred plans, and if you wanted to fix or if you wanted to create a plan, you can click on create a power plan. Now you have to give a name. Okay, you have to give a name. For example, high performance. I'm going to give high performance. Okay, I'm going to click on next and I have to set the time, maybe to 15 minutes, both 15 minutes. Going for create. So now as you can see that it has been created over here. High performance has been created. So this is how you can set this up and how to fix. It is not showing, means you just have to create it. This is only the solution. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.